Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm making coconut milk jollof rice and I hope you will like it. As I always say, no long talk, we are EBT. Okay, so I have all my ingredients here. I have 3 cups of rice, then I have coconut oil, bay leaf, black pepper, Italian seasoning, stock cube, curry powder, shrimp powder, salt to taste. Then I have chopped onion, diced tomato, my tomato paste, coconut milk, canned mackerel. Then I have blended ginger, onion, garlic, green pepper, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, so these are all I'll be using today. Let's do this. Okay. On medium heat, I will heat up my oil, coconut oil. I'll now add in the blended onion, ginger, garlic, green pepper, and Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll now add in my tomato paste. I'm adding in my chopped onion. And diced tomato. I'm now adding in the black pepper, Italian seasoning, curry powder, and the shrimp powder to the stew. I'm adding in stock cube. I'm now adding in my canned mackerel. Adding in my rice. Today I no wash my rice, so okay. I'll give it a good stir. I'll add in the bay leaf. I'm adding in the coconut milk. I'll give it a good stir. I beg, try this so you will thank me later. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I'll add in the salt to taste, and I'll also add in 1 cup of water to it. Yeah, so I've added 1 cup of water. I'll leave it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah. So the water has absorbed a bit. I'll cover it with foil to help it cook nicely and absorb all the water left in the rice. Yeah, so now I will leave it on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. Now let's check. Bam. It looks very nice, and the taste too is very delicious. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.